Today in this video I will explain you about stock indices in India. There are two major stock indices in India, Sensex and Nifty. Sensex is managed by Bombay Stock Exchange, Nifty is managed by National Stock Exchange. Sensex includes top 30 large cap companies and Nifty includes top 50 large cap companies in India. These two indices represent the overall stock market of India. These two stock exchanges are not affected by only one company's performance. It shows the overall company's performance in one chart. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Sensex is managed by Bombay Stock Exchange. This index includes top 30 listed companies in India. In each company contribute to the overall portfolio. For example, HDFC Bank contributes 6.3% of the Sensex, as well as Reliance contribute 14.6% of the Sensex. This changes on the basis of the company's performance daily. Here I am not suggesting any stock to invest. I am just taking an example for explain you in detail. NSE, National Stock Exchange. Nifty is managed by National Stock Exchange. This index includes top 50 large cap companies in India. It is similar to Sensex, but it includes top 50 companies. Now you will say that how to invest in other companies. For that, there was Nifty Next 50, which includes next 50 companies that can take the place of top 50 companies, as well as Nifty IT, Nifty Bank, Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty Small Cap. If you want to understand what is small cap, what is mid cap and what is large cap, for that I have uploaded a video on my channel. Go and watch it. I have explained everything in detail. When Sensex and Nifty rise, it signifies that the majority of the companies traded on BSE and NSE have had a positive trend in their share price. Similarly, when Sensex and Nifty fall, it means that the stock price of most of the top BSE and NSE stocks have fallen. In conclusion, we have learned that indices represent the entire market, such as the Nifty and Sensex, or specific market statement such as the Nifty Auto Index, Nifty Bank Index, BSE Small Cap Index, BSE Mid Cap Index and BSE Large Cap Index and many other. For more videos related to stock market, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.